Hello everyone, today we're going to have a planful tutorial and review, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video. And if you want to create an account on Planful, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is actually Planful? So Planful is a cloud-based financial performance management or FPM or FP&A financial planning and analysis platform. And its goal is to help finance team plan, close, consolidate, report, and analyze in a unified or efficient way. And it is used by mid-sized to larger organization that need to move beyond spreadsheets, reduce cycle times for closing and budgeting, and have a better visibility and control over financial operations. And Planful was originally known as Host Analytics before rebranding to Planful. So if you have used Host Analytics, so this is actually it, and they just rebrand their name to Planful. And the key features, as I said, they have a planning, budgeting, and forecasting. They create rolling forecast, scenario modeling, driven based planning. They also support for group consolidation, elimination, and intercompany currency translation. They have reporting and analytics, intuitive reporting and analytics page. They have dashboard, formatted reports, and add HOC queries and board books. And also they use AI integration, their Planful AI, so that they can they can automatically uh, detect anomaly. They predict forecast and error spotting, and also AI insights, so that you can for fast work. And for their integration, they have pre-built connectors, APIs, ETL, data imports from ERP and accounting system, and yeah, they have collaboration tools and workflow helpful features. And that's it. So how Planful works. So while the exact usage flow depends on how a company configures it, as we know it, there's a typical high-level workflow Planful offers. So first is data integration. So you can connect ERP, GL, or other source system to your account, and it loads actual budgets, forecasts, and non-financial drivers. They have a modeling building plans. You can create models. Example is revenue drivers, cost assumption models, and you can set up scenario version or best case or worst case scenario that can happen when you create it. And you can use driver logic to distribute costs, revenues, headcount, and etc. And that's it. So for reporting and analysis, you can generate financial reports, dashboard visualization with the help of AI, and you can perform scenario comparisons and variance analysis inside the platform. So right here, as you can see, I'm on the website of Planful, and if you want, you can get a demo. If you click on get a demo, you will need to you can you will need to input your information, business email, job title, company, and your country. And you can you can request for a demo to watch on demo on demand, and get your questions answered with one of their products experts. And also right here you can you can uh purchase for a Planful application. So this is actually where you can request it. So what you find on the Planful uh website. So now let's just discuss the Planful website itself. So actually, on the homepage, you can see the overview, and it introduced Planful as a financial performance management solution. and and right here on the platform section, you can see there's a bunch of features or products that Planful offers. So you can integrate anything. You can connect your data with flexible, transparent, and always on data integration. And if you click on it, you will see their best integration, third party integration, and that includes Sage, Google, Oracle, QuickBooks, and SAP. So one of the best company to integrate. And for the trust and security, they ensure platform-wide data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. They have a best service and support that you can get, so that they can ensure your success. Get in touch with their team, and you can learn about your journey with Planful. And as I said earlier, they have a Planful AI to elevate your financial decision making with intelligent AI. So meet you can meet Planful AI, and it empowers teams across the business from finance to accounting to budget owners and collaborators to focus on what's important while AI takes on the rest. So you can use AI to streamline workflows. So detect anomalies, plan with precision, and get more done automatically. So yes, you can detect errors. You can forecast smarter and faster. So this is how it would look like on the application, and you can get help and achieve more with Planful AI. So and also you can analyze. You can use reportings and analyze, and but it is coming soon. Right now, as you can see, you can detect errors automatically, and that is actually good. That's it. So yeah, that's it. So projection, signals, help assistant, etc. And for the solution, so it actually shows a planful solution by each of these aspects. So for finance, solutions or solutions for speed, insight, and confidence to guide business growth. For accounting, for fast and easy solution to automate your close, reduce risk, and report faster. To plan your sales the way you sell, track progress, and adjust real-time markets. And for operation, you can create an operational plan that aligns with your strategic goals and automatically updates to evaluate any impacts of plan changes. And same thing with marketing, human resources, IT, and solution hub. You can just explore each of these sections to uh, see what Plantful offers solution for this aspects right here. So yes, discovered Plantful difference, speed, purpose built AI, and everything finance needs to reach performance. They have a purpose built per finance. They have an endless runway to scale. You can build to grow with your business and adapt through change while meeting the unique demands of financial performance management from planning to reporting and beyond. So this is actually how it would look like on the application. And that's it. And under the customer section, you can see service and support. You can learn about the customers, one of the customers' journeys with Planful. So you can see their journeys, how Planful helps their business. You can read all of these forums right here and articles so that you would know how important Planful or how good of a platform is Planful. And they have customer stories too. They show how leading companies across all industries are driving peak financial performance with Planful. You can see a bunch of companies right here showing their performance, just like Altec, Kuyan, Orion. Yeah, bunch of this performance right here. They have a case studies that you can read so that you can also learn from them and adapt their ways. And for the company, as you can see their partners, program, and different partner tiers. You can see about them, their mission and vision, the careers that you can get while we're hiring and while you're still working with us. You can get jobs from Planful. They're actually hiring too, and you can see we crafted how they crafted their features or their cultures and what makes the Planful way, and also their contact informations. So that is what you can see under company. And yes, that's it. So this is actually the about us, but yeah, that's all you can see on the website. So now if you want to use the Plantful application, make sure to get a demo. But don't worry, getting a demo and having a schedule appointment for an agent from Plantful, don't worry, they will discuss how to use Planful application more more detailed, so that you know you can use the platform more easily. And yes, that's it. So make sure to schedule a demo and watch a video on how to use the Planful and uh, get your application and get your Planful application. But remember, it comes with a price, so you need to pay. And it's actually a customized pricing, and it depends on what type of what type of features you want to have in your account. yeah, it offers customized pricing. So you need to pay too. But yes, that's it. That's how you can use but yes, the platform is powerful and great, but it can require significant setup and trainings. That's why getting a demo is actually important. And yes, that's it. That's it for the Planful overview and tutorial. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.